7 secrets to staying motivated when learning to code. 1. Make sure this is actually something you want to do. If coding is not something you want to do, then leave it to those who do. The first learning hack is knowing why you're doing this. When your code is in knots and nothing is going your way, those are the times when remembering your purpose for learning code will help push you forward so that you can stay motivated and ease any frustration that you may have. Sure, you don't need to be obsessed with all things code, nor do you need to be extremely passionate about coding from the start. These things don't really happen overnight. It often comes after spending some time learning and understanding code, as well as creating simple things from scratch. 2. Start small, celebrate the little things, and build, and build. Learning to code is super easy, said no one ever. Learning to code can certainly be a daunting task to many, but one of the most helpful ways to learn and stay engaged is to start small. What this means is that you should first learn the basic syntax of the language. Then start writing some code to practice. Once you've gotten a hang of it, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Take things one at a time so that you are focused on mastering bits of information or concepts. As you stack up those building blocks and celebrate those small wins, take a step back and you'll see that you're really onto something. 3. Get a mentor. Most programmers can probably tell you how much they've gained when learning from a mentor, whether it's a senior colleague or even an expert on CodeMentor. Having a mentor means avoiding those common mistakes and roadblocks that slow down your learning process. Mentors have all been there, done that, and can provide invaluable advice and motivation derived from their real-world experience. After finding that mentor, the possibilities for you to grow are endless. Make the most of your mentorship through pair programming, mock interviews, or even get help to land the job. Mentors are, without a doubt, the most reliable motivators that will guide you to the finish line. 4. Maintain a portfolio. Once you've built more and more things, keep a collection of your work. Whenever you're feeling a lack of motivation, you can always refer to this and see how far you've come. If you're not quite sure what you should include in your portfolio, here's a list of the most important things to include in a web developer's portfolio. Don't just maintain a portfolio for the purposes of finding a job though, you should be proud of what you've accomplished so far. 5. Just do it. Or just do nothing. Sometimes, you just have to stop overthinking and overcomplicating things and just do it. On the other hand, you can just do nothing about it. That's right. Forget about whatever is bothering you, as Marcos Rodriguez says. Keep in mind that it's easy to burn out after a few hours of binge-watching tutorials or non-stop programming. It's important that you allocate some time for getting rest in order to recover and recharge. Who knows, maybe you'll even be able to solve the issue in your dreams. 6. Balance. Sometimes it's easy to forget that there's a world outside of your computer, so make sure that you're consistently taking a break away from your computer, or even from electronics for that matter. Spending a ton of time on the same issue without making progress can easily lead to frustration, stress, and eventually, a burnout. Instead, meet up with your best buddies, spend some time with your family, or anything to get your mind off of whatever you're working on, even if it's for a few hours. Your brain will thank you for it. 7. Be a part of a supportive community. A quick search on the web and you should be able to find many communities for developers, including ones for beginners. Some other notable communities include Code Newbies, who are also on Twitter, and even female-oriented ones, such as Ladies Learning Code. Hope these tips will help you maintain your motivation for programming and maybe even help you motivate your peers. Make sure to stay tuned because we have some more secrets to share, especially for intermediate programmers. Also, a big thank you to all the mentors who divulged their secrets to us. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.